with breaking news.
A Polk County judge has put Iowa's new abortion law on pause. That new law bans abortion when a fetal heartbeat is detected. Cardiac activity generally happens around 6 weeks of pregnancy. KCCI's Bo Bowman is here with the reasoning behind the judge's ruling. Bo.
Well, Stacy, the judge filed the ruling at about 2:30 this afternoon, blocking the law Reynolds signed on Friday. This means for now, abortion in Iowa is legal again up to 20 weeks of pregnancy. In the decision, Judge Joseph Seidlin relied on the Iowa Supreme Court's previous rulings from 2015 and 2018. They struck down abortion restrictions because they placed a, quote, substantial obstacle in the path of a woman seeking an abortion, end quote. Seidlin wrote the attorneys for Planned Parenthood were able to prove there would be irreparable harm while the court battle is ongoing, which is the reason for the temporary injunction. The law was in effect for about 3 days since Reynolds signed it on Friday afternoon. Planned Parenthood said they didn't have any statistics from that window to share just yet, but spoke about the impacts it had on their staffs and patients.
The fact that the ban did go into effect for a few days caused a great deal of confusion and a great deal of anxiety and fear among patients and among providers in Iowa.
Governor Reynolds' office released a statement reading in part, quote, the abortion industry's attempt to thwart the will of Iowans and the voices of their elected representatives continues today, but I will fight this all the way to the Iowa Supreme Court, where we expect a decision that will finally provide justice for the unborn. This law is nearly identical to the law that was defeated last month in the state Supreme Court. Reynolds signed the bill into law on Friday after lawmakers passed it during a marathon special session last week. Stacy.
Bo, thank you. The ruling was issued by 5th District Court Judge Joseph Seidlin. He has held the job for 5 years. He's practiced law for nearly 40. He has been behind some other big rulings against the state. Most recently, Seidlin refused to dismiss a lawsuit filed against Governor Reynolds by various media outlets. Reynolds agreed to settle the lawsuit last month. He also issued a temporary injunction on a 2017 law that blocked sex ed funding to Planned Parenthood. Another judge issued a permanent injunction, which Iowa Supreme Court overturned. Another ruling focused on Iowa's voter ID law. It was signed in 2017 and prohibited issuing voter ID cards to people with driver's licenses. But Seidlin ruled that all registered voters should be allowed to have one. 4 states bordering Iowa currently have abortion bans in effect. Missouri, South Dakota, and Wisconsin have total bans with no exceptions for rape or incest. Nebraska bans abortion after 12 weeks. Minnesota and Illinois state leaders increased abortion protections following the overturning of Roe v. Wade. And Kansas voters rejected a ballot that would have changed abortion protections in its state constitution.